This is a tutorial video about the Plasma Pro. After you receive the machine, please take all the components out of the case. This is the handpiece of your machine. Connect the treatment probe to the front, then long press the button to start the treatment. Connect the handpiece to the back of the machine. Put the rubber seal into regulator. The regulator will limit the gas between 0.1 megapascal to 0.2 megapascal. Use the dial to adjust the volume of gas. Plug in the power cord, then turn on the power switch. Start the machine. You will then enter the front page. On this page, you may select the hyperplasma probes based on the size of the treatment area. These 3 probes are designed to improve skin texture and encourage collagen and elastin synthesis, supporting skin tightening, firming, and overall comprehensive skin health. The next section is about the microneedling probe, which utilizes cold plasma combined with microneedling to resurface the skin. Please note, the microneedling probe is single-use. You must use a new probe for each treatment. The diamond plasma probe will enhance skin elasticity and tighten sagging areas for improved firmness. The next 2 probes are hot plasma probes, ideal for treatments such as neck and eyelid lifts, as well as abdominal skin tightening. They may also be used for skin tags. Ozone plasma disinfects the skin and scalp to treat infections, promotes healing, and targets conditions such as vitiligo, fungal infections, and acne by accelerating skin regeneration. The plasma jet tip uses fine needle tips to stimulate collagen production, rejuvenate the skin, and reduce wrinkles. On the second page, you may adjust the treatment parameters. Continuous mode is used for large area scanning. If your client feels the treatment is too intense, please choose intermittent mode. Energy is usually set around level 4. Please adjust based on the condition. At the bottom, you will see the timer and counter. Tap Start on the screen to begin treatment. Align the notch of the treatment probe and make sure it is fully installed. Clean the skin, then you may start your treatment. Long press the button when you are 1 to 2 millimeters away from the skin. Do not keep the probe on the same spot for more than 2 seconds.
Clean the face, remove all cosmetic products and also the piercing and earring. Then check the treatment area. It's better to shave the area 12 to 24 hours before treatment. First step, start with these 3 probes. Choose the probe based on the treatment area. Start with energy 4, and if your patient tells you any discomfort, you may lower the level. But as long as they could accept higher setting, you can make the energy stronger. The distance should about half a centimeter. Start with test shot. Do not stay in the same spot. Make sure the handpiece is moving. Keep sliding until the skin showing redness. Probe you may place on narrow area or nosophobia area. Do not perform on the lips. Smaller probe for tiny target. Right now I'm going to shoot on this acne. This probe will target wrinkles, follow the trace of the wrinkle. The probe should very close to the skin, and each wrinkle it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. These two probes have same function, they are both called hot plasma. The tip should close to the skin, and after you start, stay on the skin for no more than 2 seconds. The next probe is for disinfection. The next two probes belongs to cold plasma, and you may use this one to improve the elasticity of the skin. These two probes have same function. You may choose based on the treatment area and make sure this one is close to the skin, and you may start follow the trace of the wrinkle.
Before using microneedling on a large area, please shave and clean the skin. Applying numbing cream is suggested. Use the valve to turn off the gas cylinder when not using the machine.